Hey y'all, it's me, Corey. Check out this overview that shows how I converted my Word document resume into a Power BI dashboard. The following presentation will provide the following content. I'll go over some resources used for the project. I'll show you my Power BI resume dashboard, and then I'll have some references in case you want to go back and check those out yourself. For resources, here's the resources I used for this project. My original resume in its native Word document format was the first thing I had to find. Next, I had to convert that information into an Excel spreadsheet where I converted header titles essentially into quantitative measures. And lastly, Power BI desktop software was used to perform data cleaning and visualization. Also, the reporting aspect. Moving on here to the Power BI resume. Shabam! As you can see, here is the resume dashboard I designed using Power BI. An easy way to read this is from top to bottom, left to right. Starting with my header, you can see how I outline my name and title here, similar to a resume document. Next to it shows the total years of experience I have based on a link to my employment history table in Power BI, which is also linked to a number of other visuals as you can see in the dashboard. All the way to the top right is my contact information, which may be the most important in order for a potential client or business to reach out to me if they're interested in my services or what I can offer their organization. Below the header of my name and the title, the multiple titles that I have, you can see my profile. I pretty much summarize my total 17.45 years of experience. To the right of that is my total employment history, which I created a Gantt chart. I had to load that special visualization in Power BI using the search function. Going down to the bottom left, technology skills. I created this using basically all of my technical skills associated to my current and former career, and I rated those based on the average rating from 1 to 10, which I assigned myself based on my proficiencies in those areas and or projects I've used them with. Next to technology skills, my education by completion date. This is a timeline chart that can be scrolled up and down, left and right. You can see all the degree types I've achieved with the year associated to the right where the diamonds are. At the very bottom, you can see my skills overview, which were also rated by average 1 to 10. Based on my proficiencies and my total years experience associated. Going from a conditional formatting chart here, you can see the various averages based on my proficiency, and associated with this employment history is an employment locations for both US and Asia, as I've traveled to many countries over the years to support my endeavors. Well, that wraps up my Power BI resume. Here's some references in case you need to watch some YouTube videos associated with some of those Power BI techniques. Thanks for listening. Talk to you later.